I'm Rebecca of Pocketful of Posies. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing a vintage Betsy Ross toy sewing machine. I'm very excited to share this with you. I'm going to also see if I can get it working. And I've had this little machine for a while. My husband got it for me for our anniversary last year, and I actually unboxed it then, and then it sat in the box again for a while, and I redid my sewing room, so it was boxed up again, and it took a while before we took it out again and tried to get it working. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here we go. All right, let's get into this. A personal letter from Betsy Ross. The instructions. Little spools of thread. It's so tiny. So this is a toy sewing machine. Look, it's so cute. So, it's got these little suction feet that probably should be replaced. And it's got where the thread goes. The tension. I mean, it looks to be in good shape. Let's see. So that lowers the presser foot. I think this definitely needs some oil. Everything looks to be in good shape. It's so cute. Let me look at the instructions. Might need some oil. Doesn't seem to turn. I'll have to take a look at that. Then get some oil in there. But it is so cute. I think I need new glasses, or I'm getting old, possibly. Alright, I'm going to do a little bit more research and see what I need to do to get this working. To thread, you want to start with the needle fully raised, then pass the thread through the holes in the spool bracket side plate to the front of the machine. Draw thread to the left along the top arm of machine and pass it down through the hole in the tension pressure plate. Lift the thread upwards and insert it over the top and between the tension discs. Pass the end of the thread through the hole in the machine arm and then through the hole in the top of the needle bar. Thread the needle from left to right. Pass thread down through the center of the pressure foot and draw it out to the back of the machine under the pressure foot. Pull slightly on the end of the thread when starting to stitch until the first few stitches are completed. My husband put in some manual labor to grease the hand crank and get it moving. We added oil to every gear and part we thought needed it. We also added new suction cup feet. I added a new needle and gave it a try. Something wasn't right. It wasn't stitching at all. I realized that the hook under the needle plate was catching the thread, but the thread was getting stuck on the hook. It seemed like the hook was inserted incorrectly. I took it out and turned it and reinserted it. That worked, and it was making stitches. Bunchy stitches. I adjusted the tension and gave it another go. While I was sewing, the hook under the needle plate kept falling out. I don't know if it is meant to be removable or not. I'm wondering if it was broken and that's how it got inserted the wrong way in the first place. If anyone knows, let me know in the comments. As you can see, it keeps wiggling out of its slot. I did get it to sew pretty even stitches by adjusting the tension, but the hook continues to fall out of its slot. I'm not sure what to do about that. I need to do more research and see if it's fixable. At this moment, I can't use this cute little machine, but I will let you all know when I get the hook problem sorted out. Just the cute factor is enough for me to try to get this working. It is so cute and it could be very useful, especially in a hurricane or something after a hurricane when we have no power or something like that. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you spending your time with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and if you'd like to be notified whenever I upload, you can hit that little bell icon. If you'd like to support the channel further, I have a Ko-fi account and that is linked down below. Next Friday, the 20th, I will have my video for Cozy, the CosTube Symposium, all about how to draft your own walking skirt to your measurements. And it will be a little bit different. It'll be a little bit more of a tutorial than the videos I usually do. So I hope that you will stay tuned for that and also join me and some other plus size costumers on Sunday the 22nd for a roundtable panel discussion, and that will be hosted by Miss Philomena on the 22nd. I hope you will join us for that, and I will see you again on our next sewing adventure. Bye! If you enjoyed this video, please say hello to Lucius. Can't I just do my outro, guys?